Oh my God! Boy! Pumunti ka para. Umuwi ka pa.
Wow, parang hindi tayo nagkita.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako si John Clifford, ang beautiful langga ng Cebu.
Ako naman si Fred Moser, ang corset charmer ng Albay.
Ako yung biggest learning ko sa bahay ni Kuya is accountability. Siguro na-share na rin po namin yung word na we want to stand for 2026 nung ball namin, and yun po yung word na napili ko. And napili ko po yung word na yun kasi I struggle with dealing with my challenges. Parang lagi kong ina-avoid yung mga challenges ko. Pero sa bahay ni Kuya, yun talaga yung isang bagay na I learned how to face. I learned how to face my problems and challenges. Kaya ngayon, I'm taking my baby steps pa rin to improve, syempre, and deal with them every day.
Ako naman, yung biggest learning ko siguro is sa pagiging maunawain. Kasi doon ko rin talaga naintindihan dun. Before kasi no, sa pagpasok ko sa bahay ni Kuya, parang nahihirapan ako umintindi sa mga tao kasi yung problema sa akin is hindi ko sila kinausap on like a deeper level, ganun. Pero sa bahay ni Kuya doon talaga naintindihan na sa pagiging maunawain, kailangan mo talaga sila kausapin on a deeper level. Para mo nasintindihan ko talaga sila. At dahil doon, naintindihan ko, alam ko yung sisibihin ko, yung itatanong ko. Kaya I would say na that's my biggest learning talaga sa bahay ni Kuya.
Naka-close si Heath and Miguel. Yung ibang housemates kasi sa Kapuso side, I already know them bago pumasok ng bahay ni Kuya. Kaya with Heath naman, I really wanted to take the chance to get to know him better sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And grabe talaga, like, until now, I really nakakamiss talaga yung energy ni Heath. Namimiss ko siya, parang hinahanap ko siya. Pero I'm super happy for him na nasa loob pa rin siya ng bahay ni Kuya. And si Heath, sobrang kulit talaga. Like, as in, sobrang nakatuwa and sobrang talented talaga. Kaya I really look up to him. Si Miguel naman, si Miguel yung guide namin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Parang siya yung he's the person who's gonna be there for you all the time when you need someone to talk to on a deeper level. Si Miguel talaga yung andyan para sa'yo, and he's really the one who reminds us, and siya yung nagbibigay ng reality check sa amin na syempre kung ano yung goals namin going into Kuya's house.
Para sa akin, si Princess naman tsaka si Miguel. Una-una si Miguel. Siguro yung closeness namin talaga is really close talaga. Tapos sobrang kulit talaga ng friendship namin. Kasi since day zero, which is my birthday, siya talaga yung nag-approach sa akin to greet me happy birthday. At parang sa tingin ko, unang-una pa lang sa tingin ko, ay magiging tropa kami nito. Kasi like yung closest namin, sobrang grabe talaga. Like, we never had an argument. Until now, sobrang close po talaga kami, and I really wanna bring it outside of Kuya's house. Sa puso naman si Princess, same po, since day zero, she also greeted me ng birthday ko, and after namin makwento yung multo namin sa buhay, she's the one that approached me and had to we had a conversation. Parang after nung conversation that we had, it was really na talaga, dire-diretso. Also, maybe had a few arguments but we chose to fix it kasi kami talaga yung support systems namin sa bahay. Kaya we had no choice but to talk it out talaga. So, I would say na hanggang ngayon, our bond is still really strong.